told you that right now people are making money, real money, doing things like answering emails, making pretend customer calls, or even just managing someone else's inbox, all without leaving their house? No degree, no boss breathing down on your neck, no annoying commutes. In this video, I'm giving you 4 real websites hiring right now for lazy, low effort remote jobs you can do from anywhere. And yes, they are beginner friendly. Some of them pay up to $20 an hour. And I will even tell you who they are hiring, how much they pay, and whether they are worth your time. So if you're ready to turn your free time into easy income, you're in the right place. Welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time we talk about how to make money online, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment in the comment section. The first one today is call center QA. Let's start with something so easy. It feels fake, right? But here's the thing. You're going to be working as a mystery shopper, but over the phone. You call up a business, ask a few basic questions, and write a short review. You don't need to sell anything. You don't need to talk for long. You just pretend to be a serious customer. This one is for US residents only. The pay rate is $5 per call. Most calls take about 5 to 10 minutes, plus a few minutes to write your report or your feedback. Let's break it down. You do 5 calls in an hour and you're making $25 an hour. Not bad for sitting at home in your pajamas. Okay, let's look at the pros. It's super flexible. You work whenever you want with a fast PayPal payment. No experience required from you. Cons: it is for US based only. The call availability is limited. You will need to be comfortable speaking on the phone. Would you do a 5-minute phone call for $5? Let me know in the comments. Now, I'll give you some tips to maximize your earnings. First, always be polite but brief. Give honest, constructive feedback. Be consistent. They remember reliable testers. It's almost like doing a face-to-face mystery shopping. I've done that in the past. Okay, so you need to be reliable with your reports. The second one we're going to look at is AskChennai.com. AskChennai.com is a great option if you live in India or nearby countries. This platform hires remote workers for simple tasks like chat support, email response, and basic data entry. Replying to customer messages, formatting Excel sheets, or updating contact lists. The countries they accept is primarily India, but sometimes they post roles open to Philippines, Pakistan, and other Asian countries. The pay rate for this one is 150 to 300 Indian rupees per hour, which is around $2 to $4. Now let's look at the pros. It is great for beginners. Okay, it is beginner friendly, no degree or special skills needed. We work from your phone or laptop. Cons: the pay is not high. Projects may be short term, sometimes limited training is required. So guys, drop your country in the comments and I will reply with remote job sites hiring near you or from your country. Okay, let me know your country in the comment section. Now let's look at a real life scenario. Let's say you're a college student in Mumbai. You've got a few hours free after classes. You log in, respond to 15 customers' queries, organize a spreadsheet, and boom, you've made 600 rupees for the day. Not bad for lazy money, in my opinion. The third one is InboxDone. InboxDone.com is the website. Now, let's level up a little because InboxDone is one of the best paying lazy remote jobs you will find on the internet. Here's what you do. You manage someone else's email inbox. You sort emails, reply to basic ones, flag the urgent stuff, and basically help someone stay sane. They accept worldwide. So wherever you are, you can be accepted into this one. But you do need to be fluent in English. Okay? And the pay rate is between $19 to $22 per hour. But here's the catch: you must complete their unpaid training first. Let's look at the pros. They have solid hourly pay, fully remote, it is flexible, it can become a long-term client relationship. And the cons: the application process is intense, the training is unpaid, and you need to be super organized. I'll give you a few tips for this one. If you're great at writing emails, this is the one to aim for. And the bonus advice: keep your resume tight. They care about grammar, attention to detail, and professionalism. If you pass, this can turn into a 2,000 per month role from home, okay? No jokes at all. The last one on our list is virtual employee. Let's talk about virtual employee. It's a remote staffing agency that connects workers in India, the Philippines, and other developing countries with companies in the US, UK, and Australia. Your roles include data entry, tech support, bookkeeping, content writing, and more. They accept countries like India, Philippines, Kenya, Nigeria, and surrounding regions. For the pay rate, it usually starts around $4 to $10 per hour, depending on your skills level. Technical roles pay more. So technical roles like IT, SEO, programming roles pay more. Virtual Employee has been in existence for over 17 years now, and they have 3 offices in different countries, and they have been working with clients from over 48 countries. So to get started with Virtual Employee, you need to send your request to them with your name, your email address, your contact information, and select the project type. You're going to select looking for a job, select the duration of the project, and put your requirement. You're going to write to them inquiring about job and how to join their team. You can also contact them or send them an email. So everything you need to know is on this page. Go ahead and explore the page. And now the pros. It has long-term contracts, but it's reliable, structured work. Some roles include training. And the cons: competitive hiring, may require a CV or interview. Time zone differences. If you've ever dreamed of working for a US company from your bedroom, this is your shot. Another pro tip I'm going to give you guys is to keep your LinkedIn updated. Some of their clients check your profile before offering interviews. Let's keep it real. These jobs won't make you rich, but they are perfect if you want a side hustle that's not stressful, extra money from home, flexible, chill work you can do while watching Netflix. You're not lifting boxes, you're not answering calls for hours, you're using a skill you already have: typing, chatting, organizing, and turning it into lazy money. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more lazy remote job tips, side hustles, and legit work from home options. And tell me in the comments, which of these jobs are you going to apply for today? If you want a part 2 of more lazy money ideas, type part 2 please below. Work smart, get paid, stay lazy. God bless you all. I'll see you guys in the next one.